Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at HEDERA with the ticker HBAR. Now, HEDERA has been really down bad, guys. If you look at it from starting from, let's say, the weekly, you could see that HEDERA has been down bad, but the fact that it has been down bad, if you look at it from a broader perspective or a wider perspective, you would realize that HEDERA is actually still doing good. Like, it's doing good in the sense that this is the right time for you to still buy HEDERA. That is just the fact about this video. So if I should take this away from here, because that has kind of been, invalidated, you would notice something, guys, that I think I kind of noticed something. Let's say something like this. Exactly. Kind of noticed that, so I had to give it a try. So you could see right here that we've been getting that downtrend. Looking at it from this angle, you would see whenever we hit this resistance right here, we tend to pull back. We hit it, we pull back, we hit it, we pull back, we hit it, we pull back. So we'll be getting these lower lows and lower highs. And to be very sincere with each and every one of us, I think this is actually the right time to go all in on HEDERA, because it's just a matter of time before we break out of this we break out of this downtrend right here. We break out of it, get a retest, and we could rally as high as possible. So it is just so clear right now that HEDERA is actually at the brink of breaking out, at that stage or phase of breaking out. Now, this is what you need to know. It's left for you to decide if you want to go all in on HEDERA or not. Sorry about the lightning or the thunder making noise here and there. It's raining heavily right here. So now, narrowing it down to the daily time frame, you would see right here that you definitely see right here that we've tried as much as we can to break above the resistance so many times. We try to even find support around this level, but nothing is working out. The bears just keep on pushing it downwards, and especially with the fundamentals that is going on in the market, especially now with the Iran and Israel war. So we should all keep our fingers crossed that, okay, maybe this pullback we're gonna get on HEDERA is gonna be the last pullback. Who knows? But with the look of things, we've kind of come down, and at this particular point, I just feel this is just the accumulation period. Yeah, this is just the accumulation period. Now, the previous low we went in the local low we went this year was on the 7th of April. We went as low as 12 cents 45 penny, which is good, which is okay, but we just need to, oh my goodness, it is kind of down bad. Looking at the market from this perspective, you can see that everything is kind of going red, apart from Huma. On my chart, Huma is kind of red. It's kind of green today, because it has been really down bad. So we could see that HEDERA on the 4 hours time frame is trying as much as it can, especially from the daily time frame. It's trying as much as it can to hold support around this level. Yes, because if we go to the weekly time frame, you will see that this time frame right here is where the 100 EMA on the weekly is. I think the 200 EMA is definitely on the weekly time frame is around 12 cents. So it is either we are trying to retest that level once more. We are probably trying to go all the way down to retest the 200 EMA on the weekly time frame before breaking whatever resistance that needs to be broken. We just need to just have this at the back of our mind that we've got some resistance right here we need to break above. I should take all these things away from here. Okay, I think this is part of the Fibonacci. Okay, this is not, so I can take this away for now. And yeah, I will say that this right here is the 100 EMA on the weekly time frame, and this right here, this was actually the 50 EMA. Sorry, here is actually where the 50 EMA was. Here is the 100, and here is the 200. So Maybe worst case scenario, we might have to drop all the way down 19-20% or roughly 20%, move to the downside, worst case scenario, depending on the fundamentals in the market. So I'm actually not seeing this happening. I'm expecting us to drop all the way down to this level, which is the 0.146 level, or 0.147 level are on the weekly or on the daily. Worst case scenario, we'll pull back, we'll get a move like this, we'll get a move all the way down to this level, then we could probably break out whatever level we need to break out. This is actually what I'm expecting, like worst case scenario. We might probably have to go down how many percent? Roughly 7-8%. Yeah, but even if we tend to get this move right here, I would say just buy the dip, or you open a spot position on HEDERA, then you will just have to use it to just keep dollar cost averaging. So it's either we drop this bad worst case scenario, or we drop all the way here, then we can continue rallying to the upside. So we should just be expecting this move to play out. So yeah, that is just it. But I know how tough it is. I've also been liquidated in most of my trades. I've almost been liquidated in most of my trade. My giga trade, I'm about to also get liquidated. I know this is not about giga chart, but I'm about to get liquidated. Any move from roughly how many percent move down, 10% or roughly 11% move, sorry, did I get that right? Roughly 11% move to the downside, and I will definitely get liquidated. And I don't have much capital on me to add more margin to it, which is okay. This is about HEDERA. So if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, share this video with your friends. I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. So if you want to be the lucky winner, please do subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Peace out.